Come here.
You do, sir? I'm fine, sir. How you doing, sir? We have to meet the House of Reps said is coming so that we will know how we are going to do everything. As you can see, we brought a caterpillar, we scattered one side. We wanted to bring, come here, look here. We wanted to bring down the whole building and build them again, including a library, including a lab, you know, put everything together, even a small healthcare center. You understand? But
I know people have taken up, and we are sorry for the inconveniences. Okay. So please, I'm the chief doctor of this community. Okay. So I will take the instruction of my AZ. AZ say you come in with your 5 or 6 or 7 or 2 people.
Bros, listen to me.
Okay,
anything will make outsider more here. Come your community, come overpower you. It means say you don't do a lot of things wrong. Your community people are supposed to have your back. I'm not from your state.
Very dark man, you are the most dumb person I've ever seen. Everything for this life don't be power, muscle. By now, you're supposed to don't use your head. Look at what you are doing. You are just playing with your imprisonment. You are playing with illegal battles. Even if you are being sponsored, even if somebody don't give you money, say you take do this thing, you have no legal right to demolish government property, to rebuild it. It's a criminal offense for you to rebuild government property without an approval. Even the government are even trying to stop you. You are playing stubborn. Very dark man, they use your head. Before you can damage or repair or rebuild government property, you need an approval. Go through to the state government. They will give you approval because I know you have a good intention towards that property. But your intention is not really a good intention, but you are trying to do that to ridicule the personality of the chairman of that local government. If you have good intention to that community, you need to do is to work with the chairman of that community. That is how things is being done. Everything not be power. You have no single right, you have no legal right to demolish government property and to rebuild it. This is against the Nigerian constitution. Very dark man, be wise. Do things rightly. Do things in a way that you will not find yourself in trouble. See, even the chief don't send for you. Have a good conversation with these people so that you can able to achieve those good things you want to achieve. Not be power, not be by force. The reason why you see yourself moving freely is because you have not stepped in the toes of the government. If you really want a good intention for these people, all you need to do is to work with the state government, is to work with the local chairman so that you can rebuild this structure. It's a criminal offense for you to rebuild government property without an approval. You go to learn. You must go to learn in a very hard way. Oswald.